Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to a nail addict for sending me these polishes. I'm so grateful and thankful. I will have everything linked down below in the description for you guys, along with my code, for you guys can save a lot of money because these polishes are a bit on the pricier side. But I will have a coupon code for you guys for 55% off your order. So here I'm just showing you one of my first picks, and I love how they don't test on animals. They're vegan, and also great quality ingredients go into each bottle, and I just love the aesthetic of it. I love how you get so much product. I believe you get 15 milliliters in each gel polish, so that is definitely a great thing. There's a lot of product in there. This gel polish is on the thicker side, so you have to manage on the way you work with it. I absolutely loved it. I never had like a, I guess, higher end gel polish before, so this was definitely my first try with them, and I really liked it. I also decided to choose the base coat and the top coat because I wanted to have the full-on experience of how their products function all composed together. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video, and here are all the swatches that I did for the colors. I absolutely loved these colors. Thought they were super cute for spring, also for everyday wear, and also when I want to be a little bit more extra with the glittery polish. So now we're gonna get into some prepping. I am just grabbing a nail file, removing all the shine from the nails, or you could also use an e-file, but I just decided to use a file I had laying around, so that is what I'm showing you guys here. Now I'm just going in with my cuticle pusher and just pushing back my cuticles gently as a part of my prep routine. And this is very important if you want the false nail or just the overall nail application when you're applying the product as well to look very nice around the cuticle area. Now I'm going in with my nail dehydrator, and this, what it does, it helps remove all the oils and dirt from the nail bed. So this is a very important step. If you don't have a nail dehydrator, that is perfectly fine. You can always replace it with some alcohol or some 100% acetone. Now I'm going to be going in with my acid-free primer, and this, what it helps to do is bond the nails properly for no lifting and long-lasting nails. So this is also a very vital step, and I'm just applying some on every nail. So I applied my nails off camera, and this is what they look like. I decided to go for medium square nails, and I'm just grabbing this buffer and removing the shine from all the nails since I will be applying a base coat. So now that I am done removing all the shine, I'm grabbing my nail duster and I'm just removing all the dust from the nails. And now I'm moving on to the base coat. So I'm just using a little bit of product and applying it all over the nails, and then I will go in and cure them under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So I decided to go with Bronze Me Baby, a beautiful pastel yellow, and I'm just going to be applying this color to all the nails today. And I love this color because I thought it was perfect for the springtime. And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes or, get gel polish on your skin. It happens. You could always go over with a brush and some acetone and clean up the area. So that is what I am doing here, just applying the gel polish. And like I said, it was very great quality gel polish. I've never had an expensive gel polish or used one in the past. It was my first time. They were definitely great quality, but like I had mentioned earlier, it is on the thicker side, so you do have to make sure that you're applying and grabbing the right amount of gel polish every time, because you don't want it to overflow or be too thick on the nails. But yeah guys, so I did go ahead and cure that one because I just wanted to see how it looked. And now I'm just moving on to the rest of the nails. I did apply 2 coats of gel polish and that was all. And I definitely loved how the nails turned out. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of this nail look. I definitely loved the color. Now I'm going to be going in with the no wipe top coat. So I definitely love this top coat. I'm not gonna lie, this is now my favorite top coat that I've ever tried. It's so shiny, you don't have to wipe it. It just looks so flawless after you're done curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, which is what I did. I absolutely loved this top coat. It's hands down my new favorite. So here I'm just applying that onto all the nails and then curing it under the UV lamp. Now for the final step, I'll be going in with some cuticle oil, and that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you guys once again for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.